Hey everyone, today we are diving into a super important topic. Is bulgur good for diabetics? If you or someone you love is managing diabetes, finding the right foods can be tricky. But guess what? Bulgur might just be a hidden gem. Stick around as we break down its benefits, the science behind it, and how it fits into a diabetic-friendly diet. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is bulgur? Bulgur is a whole grain made from cracked wheat, often used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes. It is packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals, and best of all, it is super easy to prepare. But let's get to the real question. Is it safe and beneficial for diabetics? Here is the good news. Bulgur is a whole grain with a low glycemic index. That means it raises blood sugar levels more slowly compared to refined grains like white rice or bread. For diabetics, keeping blood sugar stable is key, and bulgur does just that. A study published in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming low GI foods like bulgur helps improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. So, not only can bulgur fit into a diabetic diet, but it can also be a helpful tool for managing blood sugar. Beyond its blood sugar benefits, bulgur has a ton of other health perks. It is loaded with fiber, which helps you feel full longer, great for managing weight. Plus, fiber is essential for digestive health, and let's not forget it can also help lower cholesterol, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Low glycemic index, high in fiber, helps manage weight, supports digestive health, lower cholesterol. But like anything, moderation is key. We will dive into serving sizes in just a moment. Now you're probably wondering, how do I incorporate bulgur into my meals? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can add it to salads like classic tabbouleh, use it as a side dish, or even as a base for your favorite protein. Just remember, portion size matters. A half cup of cooked bulgur contains about 17 grams of carbs, so make sure to balance it with other low-carb veggies or lean proteins. Cooking bulgur is super simple. All you need is a pot, water and about 10 minutes. Here is a quick rundown. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Stir in 1 cup of bulgur. Reduce heat and cover, letting it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Fluff it up with a fork and you are good to go. It is as easy as that. Now you have a nutritious, diabetic-friendly base for your next meal. While bulgur is a great option for many, it is important to remember that moderation is key, especially for diabetics. Too many carbs, even from a whole grain, can still impact blood sugar. Stick to the recommended serving size and pair it with foods rich in healthy fats, proteins, and non-starchy veggies for a well-balanced meal. So, is bulgur good for diabetics? Absolutely! It is a low GI fiber-packed and nutrient-dense option that can help manage blood sugar levels. Have you tried bulgur before? Let us know in the comments, and if you are looking for more diabetic-friendly meal ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy tips. Thank you very much.